Hello, Sabadi. Welcome to my channel. My name is Nali. Today I want to show you how I make this yummy, delicious, creamy shrimp Alfredo. First, you want to start off by boiling the water. Then add in a pinch of salt. Once your water is boiled, you want to go ahead and add in, I am just using half of this fettuccine pack right here. So I'm just adding half of it. And half of the fettuccine that's in the box should be a serving size of 3 people. And when you're cooking the noodles, please don't overcook the noodles. Once your noodle is cooked, go ahead and drain it out in the strainer, but do not rinse the noodle because you still want it to be starchy so all the sauce would coat it once you're done. Go ahead and cover that up and set it aside. And for the shrimp, you could use any size you want. Right now, I have a small and a large one, so that's what I'll be using. Make sure that it's clean and deveined. So let's go ahead and marinate the shrimp. But first, before you marinate it, you want to make sure you pat it dry. Make sure it's completely dry, so that way when you're putting it in a frying pan, the cooking oil doesn't splatter everywhere. Okay, now that the shrimp is pat dry, we want to go ahead and marinate this with a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, a pinch of garlic powder, a pinch of onion powder, and also add in a pinch of paprika. And go ahead and mix that up really good. And once you're done marinating the shrimp, go ahead and set it aside. So that way we could get our garlic and onion ready. And because I like onion, I'm using half of the large onion. I'm just going to go ahead and mince it up. And if you're making this, you do not have to use this much onion. I just like onion, so I put a lot in here. And also 2 cloves of garlic, I'm just going to slice up. And if you like the video so far, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Okay, now I have everything all prepped and ready. Let's start cooking. In a deep pan, go ahead and add your choice of cooking oil, a total of 2 tablespoons. And once that's hot enough, you want to go ahead and add in all your marinated shrimp. The shrimp doesn't take that long to cook, maybe 2.5 minutes on each side. And don't forget, if you can't eat shrimp, do not use shrimp. You could always use pork or chicken. And then you want to cook it with the same process that I showed you, with the same marination and everything of the shrimp. And just like I said, the shrimp does not take long to cook. So 2.5 minutes on each side. And once your shrimp is fully cooked, you want to go ahead and take it out of the pan and set it aside. And then we're going to start making our sauce. And if you like the video so far, don't forget to subscribe and hit like. And comment below if when you watch till the end of the video, if you would try making this. Okay, let's start making the sauce. Go ahead and add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. And then to that, you want to add in all your onion. And for the onion, you want to cook it till it's like lightly brown and soft. Once your onion is soft, add in a 1/2 stick of butter and your slice of garlic. And then you want to cook it a little bit more until all the butter is melted. Okay, you want to add in a total of 1.5 cups of heavy cream. And also 1 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. Go ahead and stir that up until it's all melted together. Once everything is all melted together, add in a big pinch of salt and a heavy pinch of black pepper, a heavy pinch of garlic powder, a heavy pinch of onion powder, and you want to stir it up all together on low heat. Once you see the bubble coming up like that, and you notice that your sauce is thickening, you want to just keep on stirring it. until it gets to the thickness consistency of what you like. Okay, I feel that the sauce is thick enough to where I'm going to add in the fettuccine. And once I add in the fettuccine, I want to make sure that it gets coated everywhere before I add in the shrimp. Go ahead and stir it up really, really good until you see all the fettuccine coated with that yummy, delicious, creamy sauce. Okay, now you want to add in your cooked shrimp. I did set like 3 pieces aside just so I could plate it and garnish it just to make it look beautiful for you guys. Go ahead and mix it, stir that really well until all the shrimp is coated in that yummy, creamy Alfredo sauce. Yay, we're done. Let's go ahead and plate the shrimp Alfredo. Get lots of noodles in that plate. And gotta add in the shrimp. And I'm topping it off with the shrimp that I saved. And I'm going to garnish this with fresh minced parsley. You can't go wrong with shrimp Alfredo. I mean, look at it. Doesn't that look delicious? Thank you so much for watching my video if you watched till this far, and I hope you really give my recipe a try. I know you won't be disappointed for sure. Thanks again for watching. And please don't forget to hit like and subscribe for future video.